Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on multiple accounts at the same time on your PC. This process involves using a specific technique to launch separate instances of the game client. We will cover the essential tools you need and walk through the setup, ensuring you can easily manage 2 or more accounts. This method allows for seamless multitasking, whether you are trading, farming, or simply enjoying different experiences across your profiles. Let's get started with the first crucial step. The most straightforward way to run multiple Roblox accounts is by using 2 distinct Roblox clients. First, install the standard Roblox player from the official Roblox website. Then, head over to the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC and download the Roblox application from there. These are 2 separate installations of the game, allowing you to log into a different Roblox account on each one. This setup provides a stable foundation for running at least 2 accounts simultaneously. Once both Roblox clients are installed, open the Roblox player and log in with your primary account. Next, launch the Roblox application you downloaded from the Microsoft Store and sign in with a different account. You now have 2 accounts running. For even more instances, you can open Roblox through different web browsers, logging into a unique account in each. This can potentially allow for 3 or more accounts, depending on your browser availability and system resources. With multiple Roblox instances running, arrange the game windows on your screen for optimal visibility and control. Keep an eye on your computer's performance, as running several instances will consume more system resources like RAM and CPU. Adjust graphics settings if needed to maintain smooth gameplay across all accounts. This powerful technique allows you to maximize your Roblox experience, whether for trading, farming, or simply playing with multiple characters at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.